Hi, my name is JP Singh. I'm the marketing manager at Lattice Semiconductor Corporation. As a part of today's demo, I'm going to show you the convolutional neural network implementation in our ECP5 device. This is part of our sensAI stack for artificial intelligence and machine learning applications. In this case, the neural network has been trained to detect a human face and accordingly track it. In order to track the movements of the face, we are using the Lego Mindstorm robot, which is connected via I2C to our embedded vision kit. For example, if you see right now, my face is detected and with a solid border all around my face. And as I move from left to right, you can see the robot moves along. And even if I move up and down, the robot actually moves according to these movements that a human face is doing. So this is our demo for face and object tracking. For more information, visit our website. Thank you for watching.